welcome to Tiny Space Health. I'm Hannah. Today I'm going to be talking you through some breathing, a bit of a grounding exercise, and just some positive things, just because right now I think everyone needs a bit more positive vibes around. So first things first, I'm going to be sitting, but you do whatever you need to be comfortable for this. You could be walking, you could be lying down, sitting, leaning against a wall, anything that makes you feel comfortable, relaxed. You could be playing with something in your hands, just whatever makes you ready to just get into a calm frame of mind. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to get ready and take some deep breaths. So we're going to breathe in for 5, hold for a second, then release for 5. Ready? And in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, and down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more times, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, and release, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more time because you're worth it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just go back to your regular breathing and open your eyes for just a moment. And I want you to just have a quick look around where you are, calmly, and just think of 5 things around you. Name them in your head. Take a deep breath. And release for 5. I want you to touch 4 things around you if you can. Make sure you actually take the time to feel what you're touching. Nothing dangerous, you don't want to touch the fire. But see if you can touch 4 different textures around. It could be your own hair, be a bit of clothing, anything to just remind you that you are in this space. Take a deep breath. 3, 4, 5, and release. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now close your eyes. See what you can hear. Hopefully you can hear me, but see if you can find 3 things you can hear. The music, the waves outside, a bit of breeze, remembering you're grounded and where you are. Take a deep breath from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see if you can smell 2 different things. Deep breath through the nostrils. 4, 5, and then out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lastly, what can you taste? Is it something you can taste or remember tasting something, feeling around. A deep breath in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just go back to some calm, regular breathing. You could be deep breaths. These could be shallow breaths. Whatever you're the most comfortable with. So just take a moment to just lean back a bit and feel comfortable knowing exactly where you are at this time. Knowing that you're taking this time for yourself, that you deserve this time for yourself. Don't think about the things that are on the plate, things that need to be done. Right now, the only priority is you. The only priority is taking this time for yourself. Nothing else matters, just your next breath. And your next in. And out. Keep going. Just keep listening to the waves, the music, and letting everything else take a step back. Just focus on this second. There's nothing to be scared of right now. There's nothing to worry about right now. Everything is just your next breath. And your next exhale. Deserve this time, and taking this time for yourself will help you in whatever you do next. Sometimes you need to take a step back to really figure out what your priorities are. And knowing that health and safety always has to be high, that you deserve to be safe and take the time to look after your health. Keep breathing, taking the time for yourself, needs to be done. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself, drink some water, and know that you are worth the time. You're worth it.